guys, Mecabricks here, and today I'm going to do another video, except today I'm going to do a Mecabricks video that I always like doing for fun, because, you know, I could always teach you guys something new. So, I'm just going to pull myself out here just a little bit. So, I'm going to do Peacemaker from the new Suicide Squad movie, 2021. It came out today, August 6th, and it's going to be a really cool movie. I can't wait to watch it later tonight. And just for fun, I decided to do Peacemaker. I might do Bloodsport or Blackguard, Savant, anybody else from the movie. I might do a Harley Quinn. I tried doing Harley Quinn, but she won't work as well. They don't have all the pieces that I need to do a Harley Quinn. They don't have the new 2020 pieces. So, today we're just going to do Peacemaker. Now that's the most complicated one. I've done a model Wednesday, because today's Friday. Yeah, Wednesday, of Peacemaker, because I was searching him up on Google, just Googling him. I was waiting for the show. I can't wait for the show to come out, because it introduces the character Vigilante, the new version, the DCEU version. I saw him on Arrow, except Adrian Chase wasn't Vigilante, he was Prometheus. They had some guy named Vincent Sobel as Vigilante. It's very complicated stuff. So, but that's not what we're going to talk about. So Peacemaker is the most complicated figure that I have done. Kang, which I did yesterday, is he's not that complicated. He wasn't that complicated. But he is kind of complicated, because I had to do different variations. Peacemaker, I haven't done that many variations for. I did like 2, maybe. But we're just going to start. So, you can either go this way with the legs. This way with the legs, where you have the aqua color. I kind of like it. This is the white. Just white, you can just go over and click aqua. This is what it looks like. That's the more accurate version. A bit more accurate, but a lot of people have done this one, because it had the a color like this, because it had the printed, because the Indiana Jones had this color, and it had the printed gun holster. But I'm not going to do that right now. So I'm just going to click this aqua one, and later I'm going to do a variation with that color, that color kind of experiment. And we are going to go to accessories. Now we're going to use the belt piece from the Lego Batman movie in white. I don't know if they actually make it in white. If they do, that'd be really cool. No, I accidentally double clicked for that. Where is it? Here it is. So we're going to keep it kind of like the same color. Actually, we're just going to make this white, because it is a bit lighter there. Now, we're going to go to minifigures, upper parts. We were just in lower parts and minifigure accessories. We're going to go to superheroes, DC Comics. Now we're going to use the Plastic Man torso. You're probably wondering, why use the Plastic Man torso when you have the Series 20 Power Rangers guy? I don't know if it is Power Rangers. I don't know what it's called. Mecabricks doesn't have that figure here. They haven't updated Series 20, so we don't really have that. So we're gonna change the arms pretty quickly. And my last tutorial with Kang, you saw me how I switched out the arms. So we are going to go to minifigures, upper parts. So go to multiple, click the arms, click the hands, get rid of those. We're going to click on that. We're going to click on this, pull this out. Now, you have the 2 different versions here. You can really see it here. Let me move it around for you guys. So this is what you get. Now, we're going to change the hands so that it's blue, because his hands are blue. I did a variation where the gloves kind of went up the arm, and then this was the flesh color, but I realized that was inaccurate. So now I'm going to click on both of these. I'm just going to move it over to here. Then we're going to erase that and move this forward. Now, I usually don't skip steps here, but I'm just going to do it now because it's kind of important. One of the most important parts. So then we go to Pearl Scent. Click that. So now you have the chrome, the semi-chrome, I guess. You could go, as you can see, there's the metal. I actually picked metal last time I used it. Oops, that was the hand. This is what happens when you don't pay attention, people. So we're going to make that the metal color, a silver-ish. You could go to chrome, but chrome makes it shiny. You don't want it that shiny, see? You don't want it like that. I mean, you could, but you can barely see it. It looks more black in some spots. But I prefer to, see it, and so I just go with the metal or pearl scent. I'm just going to click the metal one because I like it better. So I've done many heads for this, but I am just going to go with the 2018 Han Solo head. Then we go to head clothing. Now remember, you can always use the search bar. A lot of stuff you won't find, though. I don't know why. Actually, I do. Mecabricks doesn't always update their stuff, so you'll only get half of the things that you get. So we're just going to go down to the superhero department. That's what I call it, because it's kind of funny. Then we're going to click the Ultron head. Now this part gets complicated. So since you can't physically do this in Lego, you can use the clip. Actually, you can't. My bad. You're actually gonna have to draw on the tile piece. But you can use the kind of like the stud attachment piece they kind of introduced for the Lego movie. That clip that attached to Emmett for the piece of resistance. You can use that with a blue half tile plate. Something like this. So we are going to pull this out. The other detail for the helmet I'm going to do later. So we're just going to flip this upside down. We're just going to flip this. Oops. Sometimes you also have to be careful because some of these squares on the side always alter this. So this is what it looks like sticking out. You don't want it to stick out. So we're going to go to small, take the blue arrow, move it up, move it back, actually move it down a little bit so that you can't see it anymore, sticking at the top. You want to get a little bit of flesh right there. Add that one too far back. So there you have that, lip part there. Actually, I can move it up a bit, just a bit. Turn off legacy. Use this color, the same color we used down here. We're going to change the arm tone so that it's flesh and not the aqua color or white. White or aqua color. White is one, so yeah, it's white. So now you have the flesh part. So then you want to use the ring piece from the Lord of the Rings. Can just look up ring, I think. So this is kind of like the old version that I had done, the first variation I did. So it might not be here. So don't look it up. So now we're going to go to accessories and hand. I thought you can just look it up and it would be there. You go to accessories and hand, and then you keep scrolling. Click the plus. Again, you want the ring from the Lord of the Rings. I may have missed it. Oh, nope, here it is. Click that. and then you're just going to and that's how I made Peacemaker. I know it kind of looks strange with the orange there in the center, but maybe I can turn it just a little bit. It will go in a strange slant ways, but nothing you can't fix. So yeah, it kind of looks weird, but you can do it this version, or you can just, you know, take it out and just have it like that. But I'm just gonna keep it there. So I forgot to do the other part where he has that cross piece over his head, that strange thing. So you're gonna go to accessories, click this, and then you go to %. I want this back in medium for now. Then get small, and then you can go like that. So this is how I made Peacemaker on Mecabricks. Now again, you can't do this physically. You can't physically do this with Lego. You will break everything. But this is how I did it on Mecabricks. Just gonna take the grid off, and it's okay. This is the combination of the first and second variation I have done. So this is white, this is aqua, this is the flesh tone, and the red. These are blue. This is the pearl scent. This silver metallic. The Han Solo head, a metal. Silver metallic for the hand cannon or desert eagle. You have a yellow ring piece, the blue half piece there, and the Lego Batman movie belt. So Suicide Squad comes out today. I'm going to see it tonight. I have been waiting the longest time. I've been counting down the days. So I hope you guys love this video. I hope you guys love the movie. I can't wait for the TV show. I might do a stop motion, Peacemaker stop motion. I'm gonna have to do some customs for the figure when I actually do the stop motion. But I hope you love this custom. I hope you're gonna love the movie when it comes out tonight. Well, actually, it's already out. But see it tonight. It came out in theaters, so you can go see it in theaters. So I hope you guys love this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, click notifications, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.